In this video, we will connect VS Code to Jira using the Atlassian extension. This allows us to view and manage Jira tickets directly from VS Code without switching to the browser. Let's get started. Open Visual Studio Code. Click on the Atlassian icon in the left sidebar. This opens the Atlassian panel where we will connect to Jira. So this is the Atlassian icon A, and then here we have to look for settings on Atlassian icon. So we have here get started. What is JQL contribute? It's like help and desk. Then it is login to Bitbucket, and here you will see create Jira issue and then more actions, add another Jira site, view settings. So at the time of Atlassian installation, I have logged into my account. So I just log out to show you how to log in once again, and then we'll log in once again to the Atlassian. So here we will see two ways to log in. One is open authentication and API token. Open authentication is the easiest method. It just opens your browser to sign in. API token requires creating a token manually. Let's use authentication since it's simpler. Let's click on it. Actually, I have logged into this account already. So let me log out to just show you how to log in again. So here again you can copy the link that Jira has been provided and then go to your web browser and paste it, and you can choose here the site. So I have created a specific site for this project, data trends AI automation.atlassian.net, and then click accept, and this is success. Your Jira account was connected with Visual Studio Code. So now if you see here, the email ID that belongs to my Jira account has been identified and visible here. So you can click on refresh. So this is cloud authentication error because we have logged out before. And once you have refreshed it, automatically it will be gone. And you can see here in the authentication section as well. If you have multiple Atlassian sites, select the one where your project is located. Click accept to authorize VS Code to access your Jira data. Once you see the success image as we have seen it before, you can close the browser and return to VS Code. Back in VS Code, you should see your Atlassian site is now connected. No sites found message is gone. Let's close the settings and go to Atlassian panel. In the Atlassian panel, you can now see your Jira data. Like this is the Atlassian panel. You can create an issue from here. See, it automatically connected to the site that we have selected, and the project, that site belongs to this project, and you can choose this issue type, and you can create a ticket and then assign to someone. As of now, you can assign to whoever accessible, and then you can click on create. Right, so this is the way we can use VS Code to access Jira. VS Code is now connected to Jira. In the next video, we will learn how to create a Jira API token, an alternative authentication method that's also useful for our Python scripts. See you there.